Hello guys, my name is Mr. Aziz and today you are in new TV program from Bahuristan channel. In this program we will teach you how to attract and make your conversation with your friend a little bit enjoyable and interesting. Let's start! And the first trick how you can make your conversation a little bit interesting and joyful, you can give a compliment. So what does mean compliment? Compliment is the special word or a special joyful word which can make your conversation a little bit warmer and attract your partner. And the first compliment is you look great. Let's repeat guys, you look great. So when do we use this phrase? If you haven't seen your friend for a long time, you can just give this compliment like to point his attractive appearance and make him happy. For example, if your friend wore new clothes, you can give this compliment. Also, you can change the compliment or the word great with the words cute, beautiful, handsome or awesome. For example, you look awesome. Wow, look, so nice flowers. And another compliment is this, if you see that person spend a lot of time and power for doing something, you can support him and tell this phrase. Wow, I can tell you worked really hard on this. So if you want to support your friends and appreciate his hard working, you can tell this phrase. Sometimes there will be such kind of situation where you should congratulate someone with something. For example, what you can say? You can say, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Also, you can change the word anniversary with other words like happy new year, happy birthday even. Of course, compliments are very good, but sometimes your friend needs something different, you know. When you want to support him, you can support him by saying cheering phrases. So what do they mean, cheering phrases? Here now we will tell to you the most common cheering phrases in English language. Let's do it. Wow! This zoo shop is very exciting, really guys. Thanks, I love the way you give instructions. This phrase, I like the way you give instructions. This is very useful phrase when somebody tells you some informative things or gives you instructions. You can appreciate him by telling this word. This is Azamat, he is my friend. Now he told me how to take care of these hamsters and now I want to buy them, so let's buy them. Next compliment of this day is you have the best style. So when you can use this word, if you want to point at your friend's style, so you can use this phrase. Or you can change the word style with another word. Like you have the best smile, you have the best haircut, you have the best books simply, or you have the best dog. Another compliment which can help you in your conversation, it's wow, I like your new haircut. So, when you use this compliment, when you notice that your friend has got new haircut, you can point at his new haircut and give this compliment. Oh my God, Aziza, you are here! Haven't seen you for a long time. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Dear guys, this is Aziza. She is my old friend. Before she used to work in a different shop, but now she has got her new job here. So, how we can support her and wish good luck. So, good luck with your new job, Aziza. Sometimes when you feel that your partner is tired or he doesn't want to do something, you can cheer him up. For example, my friend now has his exam. but he's a little bit tired. So how we can cheer him up? We can tell him, you can do it. Yes, guys, sometimes it's so necessary to motivate your friend. And how you can do that? You can tell this phrase, you are almost there. The word there in this phrase, it doesn't mean concrete place. It means finish, end of work or some efforts. So, very useful phrase it is. Sometimes when your friend says that he has succeeded or he achieved some goals, you can say that he did very good job and he should keep continuing this. And how you can motivate that? You can tell this phrase, you improved a lot. Thanks for your help. So guys, sometimes it's so necessary to express to someone that you are grateful for his job. And remember this phrase and don't forget, thanks for your help.